In 3, 2, 1. When the night has come and land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see, no, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. If the sky that we look upon should tumble and fall, or the mountains should crumble to the sea, I won't cry, I won't cry, no, I won't shed a tear. Just as long as you stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. Whenever you're in trouble, won't you stand by me? Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. We did it. What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for watching this ukulele cover and play along for Stand By Me on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. And my analytics shows me that over 70% of people that watch these videos and come back and watch more of my videos have not hit that red subscribe button. So please check down below. If the subscribe button is red, click it, it will turn gray. It is free and you will join the Uke fam. We're getting so much closer to 100,000 subscribers. And also share this video out to people. Tell your granny to subscribe, your uncles, your brothers, your sisters, your moms, your dads, your neighbors. Tell them to subscribe to the channel so we can hit 100,000 subscribers. I'd really appreciate it. But again, make sure to double check that you've hit that red subscribe button. Some people don't even know that you can subscribe to these YouTube channels. So please, it's free. Double check. Also, if you are wondering what Ricky, I can't speak, but Ricky, what uke is this? This is a concert-sized Enya ukulele. It's absolutely amazing. It's a solid mahogany uke. I pretty much play this uke a lot. I love Enya ukes. They are not only high quality, sound amazing, but absolutely affordable. So if you don't want to break the bank and you're looking to get a new, better upgrade yourself in the uke world, highly recommend Enya ukes because one, quality is amazing, sound is amazing, and also the price is absolutely amazing. So that will be linked down below. Also links to my merch if you do want to support this channel, and all of my socials. Everything is just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to add me, friend me, send me a DM letting me know what video you came from. But that is pretty much it for me. Also comment your song requests and recommendations down below. I always take a listen to every song that is commented on my videos. So I'd love your input for future videos, and maybe, just maybe, the next video might be your song. So make sure to leave comments down below. But that is it for me. I love you. I hate to leave you, but I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.